is very, very large. Or if you want to be transferred to the Pitri-lokas, or in the lokas of the ghost Bhuteja, or if you want to be transferred to the loka where Krishna lives, Madhyajinopi Jantima. Now it depends on your practice. But the rotating, wandering within this material world, from one body to another, or from one planet to another, that is not advised. That is called samsara. Samsara means material existence. That is called samsara. Bhutta bhutta praliyate. You take your birth once in some form of body, you live for some time, then you have to give up this body, then you have to accept another body, then again live for some time, then give up that body, again accept another body. In this way it is going on. That is called samsara. Rotating within this material world. That is compared with Davanan. Davanan means forest fire. Forest fire, you have got experience, you have seen, might have. In the forest, nobody goes to set fire, but it takes place. Everyone knows it. Similarly, within this material world, nobody wants to be unhappy. Everyone is trying to be very happy. But he is forced to accept unhappiness. This is the position. Therefore it is called Davana. Davana means nobody willingly sets fire. But there is fire in the forest. Similarly, in this material world, everyone is trying, from time immemorial, even at the present moment. There is some occasional war, world war, and they manufacture some means. In our days, when we were young men, there was the League of Nations. Perhaps some of you may know. When the 1919, when the First World War was finished, these nations, they formed a League of Nations. League of Nations means just to arrange for peaceful living between the nations. So there was forest fire again. Nobody wanted war, but there was Second World War again. And again they are trying to the League, United Nations. But the war is going on. The Vietnam War is going on, the Pakistan War is going on, and many others are going on. So you may try your best to live very peacefully, but nature will not allow you. There must be war. It is not possible. In the history, especially in European history, there were so many wars. Carthaginian War, Greece War, Roman War, 7 years war between France and England, and 100 years war, so far you have read in the history. And the war feeling is going on. Not only between nation and nation, between man to man, neighbor to neighbor, even between husband and wife, father and son, this war is going on. This is called Davana, forest fire. Forest fire means in the forest, nobody goes to set fire, but automatically by the clash, friction of the dried bamboo, there is electricity and it catches fire. Similarly, although we do not want unhappiness, still by our dealings we create enemies and friends, and there is fight, there is war. This will continue. This is called samsara dava. Try to understand. So, Guru means, spiritual master means, who can deliver one from this forest fire. Just like when there is forest fire, the animals are very much disturbed and they die mostly. The snakes, they die immediately. So, this forest fire, samsara davanala, is going on perpetually, and the person or the authorized person who can deliver you from this forest fire of material existence, he is called Guru or the spiritual master. Samsara dava nala lira loka tranaya karunna ghanaghanata. How he delivers? What is his means? The same example, when there is fire in the forest, you cannot send fire brigade, or you cannot go there with bucket full of water to extinguish the fire. That is not possible. Then how it will be extinguished? Fire means it requires water to be extinguished. But where the water is coming from? From your bucket or from your fire brigade? No. It must come from the sky. It must come from the sky. When there will be torrents of rain from the sky, the forest fire, blazing forest fire will be extinguished. So, this rains from the sky, it does not depend on your scientific propaganda or manipulation. It depends on the mercy of the Supreme Lord. So, the spiritual master is compared with the cloud. Just like from the cloud there is torrents of rain. Similarly, a spiritual master is considered just like cloud. Samsara dava nalalira luka. Just like cloud takes the water from the sea. Cloud hasn't got its own water. Cloud takes water from the sea. Similarly, the spiritual master brings mercy from the Supreme Personality of God. Just see the comparison. He has no own mercy, but he carries the mercy of the Supreme Personality of God. That is the qualification of spiritual master. A spiritual master will never say that I am God, I can give you mercy. No. That is not spiritual, that is a bogus, pretender. A spiritual master will say, I am servant of God. I have brought His mercy. Please take it and be satisfied. This is spiritual master's business. Just like a post peon. A post peon, when he delivers you some large amount of money, it is not his own money. The money is sent by somebody else, but he honestly delivers you. Sir, here is your money, take it. So you become very much satisfied with the peon, although it is not his money, but when in case of need, you get the money sent by your father or somebody else, brought by the peon, you get very much satisfaction. Similarly, we are all suffering in this blazing fire of material existence. The spiritual master brings the message from the Supreme Lord and delivers you. And if you kindly accept, then you will be satisfied. This is the business of the spiritual master. Samsara dava nalalila loka tranaya karunna ghanaganatyam praptasya kalyana gunarnavas bandi gurasri chadanaranda. So, spiritual master is offered obeisances. Sir, you have brought the mercy from the Supreme Lord. Therefore, we are much obliged to you to deliver us. You have come. We offer our respectful obeisance. This is the meaning of this verse. Bandi Gura Sri Chadanaravinda. That means the first qualification of the spiritual master or guru is to deliver you some message by which immediately your blazing fire in the heart will be stopped. If you simply try to love, the process is that you worship the deity, you take the prasadam, you chant the holy name, you follow the instruction of the spiritual master. In this way you will be trained up how to understand Krishna, and then your life is successful. This is Krishna consciousness. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.